So, next is, what if we have a radical? Diba? How can we test or identify if what is the longest side? Are we going to need to use a calculator, or kailangan ba natin ng high mathematics or something? No, we don't need that. So, dito, in this items 1 to 8, we can simply identify which is the longest side, or the largest side of the triangle, or the dimension. For numbers 9 and 10, okay, hindi natin alam kung paano kasi may radical. So, we cannot say, or we cannot assume that laging nasa third yung radical, lagi yung pinaka malaki. So, to test that, okay, ayan. So, in this case, we're going to write 4, 8, and 4 square root of 3. Now, to test whether they, to identify kung alin yung pinakamalaki or pinakamahabang side, is we're not going to use any calculator, of course. Okay? We're going to, mali yan. Okay. That's wrong. Okay. Never mind that. Lagyan natin ang calculator. Okay. So, trial lang. Okay. So, in this case, we're going to square all of them. I-square natin. Which is, gagawin din naman natin siya eventually. So, square each side to identify kung ano yung pinaka malaki na square. Okay. The highest squared number is the longest side. Okay. So, in this case, ayan. We have 16, 64, ayan, okay, 64, and dito, we have to distribute the squares. So, 16 times 3, which is, ayan, 48. So, we have 16, 64, and 48. So, obviously, ito yung pinakamalaking side. So, this will be our C. Ayan. And this can be our A. This can be our B. So, proceed na tayo sa format natin. So, A squared plus B squared blank C squared. So, just like what we did, we substitute 4 squared plus 4 square root of 3 squared blank 8. Okay, 8 squared. So, simplify natin. Nakuha na natin mga squares nila. So, 16 plus 48 blank 64. So, which is bigger? Yeah. So, 16 plus 48 is 64 blank 64. So, since they are equal, we can now assume, or say, not assume, okay, we can now say that the given dimension 4, 8, and 43 will give us a right triangle. So, ayan. Tama naman spelling ko ng triangle, di ba? Very good. Okay. So, yan. Now, identify here. So, sa tingin mo, number 10. Ano yung pinakamalaking side? So, yan. You can answer that na on your own. So, thank you.